More of us are learning the facts of who we are through genetics. We are all unique, from our eyes, to our hair, to our hands, to our face. As a biracial person, I've become used to people asking, "What am I?" My father was black and my mother is white. Learning about who I am was as easy as spitting into a tube, in this case, the 23andMe DNA test. The 23 stands for the 23 pairs of chromosomes we all have, which contain our genes, and what are called SNPs, or single nucleotide polymorphisms. That's where our unique traits are expressed. 23andMe now has a database of more than 2 million people. Filling the tube to the spit line was the hard part. Shake it up, cap it, and box it up, and then send it off, and wait for the results by email. Here's what my results show for Ancestry. 66.7% European, with a large percent British and Irish. 29% Sub-Saharan Africa, the largest percentage from West Africa. 22 trait reports include likely no bald spot, likely lighter eyes, and likely ring finger longer than the index. 43 carrier status reports, which include diseases and syndromes, I have none. But 7 genetic health risks reveal I have a variant in one gene for slightly increased risk of late-onset Alzheimer's disease. Lifestyle, environment, and other factors can also affect your risk.
There are plenty of people walking around that have this, either one copy of it or sometimes 2 copies, that never go on to get Alzheimer's disease. And it's really having that understanding that it is one risk factor in a variety of different things that can increase or decrease our risk for that disease.
Genetic counseling services can help you understand genetic health risks that may be in your report.
So a lot of the time that genetic counselors spend working with people is really helping them understand what the results mean. A lot of it can be involved with risk interpretation.
The report is very detailed with report categories to dig through. Also, I learned from my report, I have 214 Neanderthal variants. So now you've given your DNA away, what about privacy? Both services allow you the option to have your sample destroyed after testing and keeps your sample anonymous. The companies do not share or sell your data without your informed consent.
They can't increase your rates, they can't drop you, and there's also laws protecting employers from getting your information. Where there are no laws are some other types of insurances like long-term care or life insurance.
The FTC says be sure to read the fine print before sending off your sample. I'm still waiting on my Ancestry DNA results to compare. Another revelation from my 23andMe report, my paternal haplogroup line traces back to a king in northwest Ireland in the 5th century named Niall of the 9 Hostages.